how to add an animated GIF into an Outlook email. So we're just gonna go ahead and start from scratch. We're gonna press a new email over here, choose whoever you want to send it to, add a subject if you'd like, and then we're gonna have to expand this for a few more options. Not really, we can do it here, but so that it's easier in a way, but that depends on you, as long as you can do the insert option. Now you could do a link here, hyperlink, and then paste in the link, and then you're gonna have to get the link from your GIF source. So you can go to a GIF and then copy the link. In our case, we're gonna do it in GIF over here, but we're just gonna download it in our case so that it's much direct, I suppose. So let's go back to our draft and then choose the attach file option. We could do the link again. As we mentioned, we could upload and share on Drive, or the browse this computer option, which is what we're going for. And we're gonna choose our GIF file. We're gonna go with this one and press on open, and as you can see, it's gonna load. Make sure it does fit the email. I suppose there is a limit, but you can take a look at it first. You can preview if it's the one you want, and once that's all settled, you can just go ahead and submit it to the lucky person who gets that awesome GIF of yours. But that's pretty much how you can do this process. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.